I am so tired of trying to measure long distances, have the tape flopping all over the place, especially if I don't have somebody to help hold the other end. That's why I'm excited to try out the Cyber Measure Pro from Cyber Power Tools. Before we get into it though, I want to just thank Cyber Power Tools for partnering with me on this video. The Cyber Measure Pro is a 3-in-1 digital tape measure. It's got a retractable tape just like you're used to, but it also has a laser for measuring longer distances and even a crosshair feature for lining things up. First impressions though, feels really nice and solid in my hand, but it's not super heavy. It's got the belt clip or the strap clip too, so you can carry it around with you on the job site. It also actually comes with the 2 AAA batteries that you need to run it, so you don't need to fiddle around with any charging cords. Like I said, it does come with the 16-foot tape for closer, easier hands-on measuring, and it has the markings on both edges of the tape for easy reading. Where it really shines is the laser measurement for longer distances, down to 3mm of accuracy. It's also got the crosshair alignment feature for lining things up like nails or pictures or whatever you're trying to keep in a straight line. On top of the sleek packaging that this comes in, you obviously are going to get the instruction manual in it and a 3-year warranty, so it's got a card there to activate your warranty. Of course, you get the measuring tape and you get the clip. It goes on here pretty easily, so you can clip this on a belt, on a strap, whatever you want to do. You get a little screwdriver to open the battery compartment. And like I said before, it does come with the 2 AAA batteries that you need. You don't have to fiddle around with losing the charging cables for it. And it'll actually do a whole lot more than just measure a single distance. It does have the linear mode, just measure a single distance, continuous measurement mode, a mode for measuring the area of a room, and even volume, so you can find cubic measurements. It even has a Pythagorean mode to measure distances you can't reach directly. All this stuff sounds good on paper, but let's actually test out a couple of the features. The first one, the area. So I want to know the area of this wall behind me, so we're going to just set this. You just hit the function button, pick the area function, and then all you have to do is make the 2 measurements, length times width. And again, we can run this with just one hand. That is 1 measurement. Then all we need to do, turn it this way, measure across, and we have a 25 square foot wall. Now I'm just going to kind of test the accuracy of the laser, just where I can reach here. So I'm going to move out to 3 feet. I'm going to try to put this right at 3 feet there. Very close anyway to 3 feet. Then if we just turn the laser on and measure that, 36 inches, which if my math is right, is 3 feet. So at least up to 3 feet, pretty darn accurate. I like how bright the display is. It's pretty bright in here, the lighting, and the display's still super easy to read. You can change the units too, so whatever you look for, whatever you makes most sense for your job there, you can actually cycle through that, which is pretty nice. It's also really easy to switch whether the laser's measuring from the front or the back of the tool, so you don't have to worry about doing that calculation by hand. And of course, no apps, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no connections to drop in the middle of your job. So if you're like me and you're always tired of the tape bending when you don't have a helper to hold it when you're measuring those longer distances, I would definitely check this out. I'll put a link in the description.